They call this place the Heart of Santorini, but this is not the end of the road, but the heart of Santorini and the islands of Santorini. As most of us might have known, Santorini has been in destruction in the year 1600 because of its most catastrophic volcanic eruption. So in the year 1600, this has been destroyed through the volcanic eruption. And but the thing is, nowadays, that destruction of volcanic eruption became a blessing in disguise because, for example, due to that fact of that eruption, the soil becomes very nice to see. Look at the terrain of Santorini. It's very much nice. So this island, pointing to the other side, there are two islands there, 2 to 3 islands there, and the volcano is there, and you can swim there when it's available for tourists. As you can see, I was very tired already, so I need to relax and buy some stuff before going home to the Netherlands. And this is called Katarina Shoes. So the Katarina Shoes is a department store there in Santorini, and it's so nice. And then I had a nice pizza also, just to eat Greek, as what they say. So it's very nice. The pizza there is like the Italian pizza, although there's a unique taste, but to me it tastes so good. And the next time I'll visit here, then I would be willing to explore the islands there in front of us, and the volcanic islands, the one with the volcano, and explore there and ride by cruise ship. And as of the moment, because today there's no available tour that's going to that island, so I wasn't able to explore it. But I just rented a car and just toured the whole island with a car. So you can actually tour the whole island in a day if your purpose is just driving here and there without enjoying or absorbing much of its delights and extravagance. But no, I don't do that. I try to absorb myself in the place, and that's why it took me how many days to explore the main islands of Santorini. This is the heart of Santorini, and this place has been one of Santorini's kept secrets. So this is a very beautiful, and this is the cave, and it seems that it's the end of the road. But yeah, it's the end of the road because behind that one is the sea. So it's not dangerous because I know how to swim, but I don't want to swim with this winter time from Santorini. And let's get ice cream as a sort of dessert, and a glass of white wine, just to have a good vibes and good mood for this travel. So by the way, this is the windmill, as you can see in the rightmost part. That one is the windmill going to the heart of Santorini. So this is very much popular. This type of windmill is popular in Greece. So we can also see that type of windmill in Mykonos or any other islands in the islands of the Aegean Sea. So this one is the windmill that is very popular in any tourist attractions in Greece.